All right, chat. I'm in this setup right here. Price is just extremely bullish. And yeah, bro, this thing has to get hit here. This is my break-even point. I'm very confident that this gets hit. Very confident. Like, this is for sure. There's no way. Come on, like, stop being annoying, bro. Just stop. There's just no way. Nice. Okay, bro, equal. Hit it. Hit it, please. Hit it. Okay, nice. It finally did that. Now let's go to all-time highs. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, break even here. Let's get all-time highs, please. That'd be nice. Awesome. Let's get. I need to see this here. I need to see this. I want to see all-time highs is all this stuff right there. So, awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, let's just go all the way up. Let's just do me a favor and go all the way up. No problem with that, right? I never complained. I never said anything. You know? Great. Okay. Finally, bro, we get some like some decent volume, bro. Cause like look at this previously, right? You guys are seeing that, right? Bro, come on, let's go. Good stuff. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Mate, bro, wow. I mean, really cannot complain about this. Not break even again, bro. Not break even here. Wow. Okay, well, now we're definitely going to take out this. Nice, and now we're definitely going to go take out all-time highs. Amazing, actually. This is awesome. Wow. Shocker. I was not expecting this, I'm not going to lie. I wasn't expecting such insane bullish action here, out of nowhere. It's like 10:30, bro. Bro, what is this price action? Wow. Dude. Let's go look at the 1 minute. Oh my bro. Huh, this is insane. Bro, what? I low-key did want to exit right here, but I kind of missed it. But either way, we are going to go higher, like like regardless. And also, at this point, we're basically at all-time highs, so let's just go take them out real quick. Actually, now that I think about it. Yeah, I've basically just been riding it because like I was secured break even like when this hit, so I've just been riding this here all the way. So it's just like okay, now we might as well hit all time high. I wasn't expecting to hit all time highs. I'm gonna be honest, but you gotta go. I just go based on price action. So like, dude, if it's not stopping, why would I get out? But you know, obviously without getting like greedy or anything, of course. There's a possibility that price comes below this, and then we can make our final move higher. Okay. Yeah, I told you guys there's a possibility that we go do just that. Yep, there it is. No. Tell me I didn't say that. I said, bro, rewind the recording. Tell me I didn't say that. I said we're gonna go here, we're gonna sweep it out, and then we're gonna make the final move higher. Dude, if we inverse this as well, in like 3 candlesticks, we hit all-time highs. No, okay. Chill. Nice. Yeah, it's game. Okay, I think this is the one. I think this is it. Yeah, we're right there. And GG's. What a trade, guys. What a trade. Wow. This was low-key crazy. Well, we did that. We played that nicely. Bro, super nice stuff. All right, so let's get right into the recap. So, for full transparency, okay, I had taken a trade before, but then it just hit break even, okay? So, the trade that I took was this because we had this super small, if you guys can come here and see this, 5 minute fair value gap, and I have it marked out right there. And so we inverse it. I don't usually take 5 minute gaps like this, but this one I was expecting price to rip to all-time highs. And the reasoning for that is just because we are bullish, we come down, and so we've made our retrace. And so from there, like, just once I see this, I just know that price is going to continue and it's going to deliver. Basically, I don't see it off of this point here going back down and giving us like another down candle or two below this point here. Below this point here. I just didn't see that. If it did that, then I would, I would be fine, whatever. I would have to just, I would have to rethink stuff, but I didn't expect that as, a real possibility, and a high probability of happening. Just because, I don't know, that's honestly, that's how I see, it just makes sense to me. That's how I see it. And I am expecting that when we're at all-time highs, whatever retraces we're going to make, we're going to buy back up right away. And so that was the logic for this. Now, we go up. So we go up here, okay, a ton, and then we go back down. So I just go break even here. Now, the thought process behind this second trade here was just, it's basically the 5 minute, but I'm just catching a better entry. So I think I entered, so let's go on the 15 seconds. So I entered on this one. I entered, I'm waiting for a 15-second inverse. I didn't like this, actually. Wait, did I enter on that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. No, right? No, I'm pretty sure I entered right there. So, okay, this one I didn't really like just because, it wasn't very clean. But then this, it became more clean. Also, again, price came up. It had a chance to go back down. And then from there, I'm expecting price to actually deliver. And then this was, this was the break even. And then from there, I was just riding along with it all the way up there. Yeah. So that was it. Not as, not as usual, but whatever. It doesn't matter. Still took a great trade. Yeah. So, but again, it was pretty much the same entry as the 5 minute, like with the same stop loss and stuff. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.